Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok video. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Cartoon Me filter on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So the Cartoon Me filter basically turns your face into a cartoon character, as you can see here, and here as well. So let me show you how you can get this filter on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search and you're searching for Cartoon Me. Now in your search results you're looking for this effect here, Cartoon Me. Tap on it and it looks like this. Now tap on use this effect. And once you do this, your face will turn into a cartoon character. If you tap on the character, it'll turn into a female character. If you tap again, it'll turn into a male character. And now using this effect, you can go ahead and record your TikTok video. This is great to hide your identity on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to use a Cartoon Me filter on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.